among a few college shortlists and wondering if you're making the right decision? Then congratulations, you have reached the right video that will help you in making a decision. Hi guys, I'm Shivani Saxena and welcome to my channel Less for Shivani, a one-stop destination for all your MBA needs. In today's video, I'm going to help you solve a common dilemma which all MBA students face once they have, let's say, 2 to 3 shortlists. Which college is the one that you should be going for your MBA? So in this video, I will be covering 3 things. Firstly, how to, what are the factors that you should be considering when making this choice. Secondly, how to use data to make these decisions and not just go by what someone else is saying or what your gut is saying. So gut feeling is also important, but we'll rely on data. And thirdly, I'll be telling you how you can make a decision matrix like I made back in 2017 when I had a choice between an IIM and between SIBM Pune, and how I chose SIBM Pune through that. So if you come into my channel for the first time, then show some love by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Let's start with the discussion. So the first and the most important factor in making a choice, or the most important factor in decision matrix, is the average package and by how much that average package is growing year on year. Now this factor is most important because you are on an average making an investment of, let's say, 20 lakhs, average amount ले लेते हैं. So you would minimum expect a package of 20 lakhs. ऐसा होता नहीं है. Not everybody gets good placements. It's only the top 30-40 people who get it. But at least you have a target in mind that okay, maybe मैं 15 से कम का placement तो accept नहीं करूँगी. Now you need to see, is this figure of, let's say, your average package which is there in your mind of 15 lakhs, and if let's say there is a college which says that their average package is 15 lakhs. Now you need to see, has this figure been stagnant or is it increasing? So ideally the figure of average package should increase year on year. That means that the college is really striving to get the best placement for each of their students, and hence that average figure is increasing. So don't just go with the absolute amount, also see a year on year trend or increase in this average package value. So you can take data for past 5-6 years, download the placement report, see for yourself, एक Excel बना लो and just see if that average package is increasing or not. Second factor, the kind of companies that come for placements. So simple, इसमें क्या करना है, placement report उस college की download करो. So let's say 2 colleges हैं, दोनों की आपने placement report download की. Now you go through the kind of recruiters the company has had in the past, and then you see कि किस type की companies का, किस industry का major contribution है उस recruitment में. Is it the BFSI sector? Is it the auto industry? Is it the FMCG, FMCD? So जो मेरा decision making था, this was guided the most by this particular factor, because I knew I had a certain list of companies in my mind जहाँ पे I aspired to go. So वो companies जहाँ पे आ रही थी easily, I chose that as my college of preference. Third factor, the batch size. So this should not be the sole guiding factor for a decision, but it is important. So a college which has a batch size of, let's say, 180 versus a college which has a batch size of 600. It is very easy to get 200 students placed all in good companies than getting all 600 placed in good companies. So अगर 600 है उसमें भी maybe top 100, 200 को ही सिर्फ अच्छे placements मिलते हैं, बाकियों को नहीं मिलते हैं. So I'd recommend that always go for the college which has fewer batch size, ताकि आपका जो efforts होता है in getting placed, that is significantly reduced. But again, this should not be the sole guiding criteria. One of the factors को आप इसमें ले सकते हो. Fourth, अब specialization करना है या general MBA करना है. So in my case, since I was very clear that I wanted to do MBA in marketing, so my choice was pretty clear in this. So whatever you want to do, if you're very clear about it, you can go for a specialized MBA. And if you're not clear, or if you are, mostly happens with engineers ki they want to go for general MBA, so that is also fine. So जो भी आपकी desire है, whatever you want to do, उसके हिसाब से you choose your college. Fifth factor, location. So again ये भी एक important factor था मेरे लिए in making my decision. Some people have this consideration कि उनके hometown से what is the distance, what is the distance between the hub where there is the HOs of the companies and then their college, industrial parks हैं आसपास की नहीं है. So this can also be one of the criteria to make your decision. Sixth factor, fees. So हमने भी बात की थी return on investment की. So you have to see that कि उस college के placements are in somewhat proportion to how much they are asking you to invest and how much placement you will get from that college. तो एक वो ratio आप देख लेना. And you need to see that what all is covered in that fees. क्या उसमें mess का या पे खाने का चार्जेस कवर्ड है, आपके अकोमोडेशन का चार्जेस कवर्ड है कि या वो एडिशनल लगेगा. So you can go to the website of the college and they will obviously have a fee breakup. Just have a look at that. And even when you are sent the shortlist, a fee breakup is always sent. So just have a look at it कि तुम्हारा कोई additional expenditure तो उसमें नहीं लग रहा है. And also an amount that you have to pay as first installment. तो उसका भी एक UGC guidelines होता है. Make sure that your college is following that guideline. And वो first installment is as less as possible because you have to arrange for bank loan and everything. So fees should also be one of the guiding criteria. Seventh important factor, the alumni base. So the older the college is, the more people it will have in the industry. So just go to LinkedIn and have a look at people from, let's say, 2010-11 pass outs from your college, from the college which are there in your consideration set, and then see कि वो किस industries में हैं, किस role पे हैं, किस level पे हैं. You can also connect with them and ask them about their experience with the college. So a lot of them, I'm sure, will be very brutally honest with you, and that can help you make a good choice. So the alumni connection also helps in bringing more companies to the college for placement. So let's say अगर तुम्हारे college का HR है किसी company में, so that company will come for placements because that guy or girl will try his or her best to get the company for campus recruitment. So that is why alumni connection is also important. So the older the college is, the higher chances of having a wide alumni network, which in turn impacts the placements. Eighth factor which you can consider is the faculty. Faculty section पे जाओ, website पे, just have a look at the kind of faculty, उनका background क्या है. Also, a lot of these colleges have an integral element of industry connect, wherein they try to bridge whatever gap is there in academics with industry exposure. So there are people coming from the industry who also teach. So visiting faculty का data देखना and see if there are people from good companies coming to teach. Also, just have a look at how many of these faculties are PhDs or they are working on some research paper. Because in MBA even you will get an opportunity to write a research paper, and the faculty will really be useful in that. So just have a look at the background and reputation of the faculty who are teaching in that college. Ninth important factor, the brand value of the college. Now since you have been studying for MBA, for the CAT and the entrances, and you have been going to coaching and talking to your batchmates, so you have a certain idea कि कौन से colleges हैं जिनकी brand value अच्छी है. And for some people this brand value can mean maybe the IM tag. So if that IM tag is important to you, the choice is very clear. If it is not, if you want to go by how good the placements are, how good the college is, apart from the IM tag, then again your choice is clear. So here I'll say your gut feeling matters, because if you do not feel like you're missing out on a big opportunity by leaving the IM tag, then don't make yourself guilty of missing out on an opportunity. Just think hard, think what matters more to you and then make a decision. And last important factor is the international exposure. So a lot of people are there who want to go for different exchange programs to around the world. So colleges have their tie-ups with international universities. They either get the international faculty to teach in their college, or they send their students to these international colleges. So just have a look at their website and see if there are any such tie-ups, and if this is something that attracts you to apply to that college, then again your choice is clear. So this was the list of 10 factors which you should definitely be covering when making your choice. Now I'm going to show you how these factors will look like in your decision matrix. Now here is a snippet of my Excel file where I have shown all these different factors, and I have ranked them on a scale of 1 to 5. So 5 being the highest, the most important thing for me, and 1 being least in importance to me. So all these factors have been ranked on priority level from 1 to 10, and then I have scored them out of 5. मेरे लिए क्या मैटर करता है उसके हिसाब से, and then I calculate the final score, and accordingly whichever college you feel scores highest in that, then that is the college to go. Also I'll say that दूसरों की सुनना कम करो, and I see a lot of people going on Quora and going to different YouTube channels and asking people क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. So that person has no idea about what is good for you, because they do not know you, they do not know your aspirations, your background, your education. Even if you give them a glimpse into your marks and everything, still they won't be able to make a right choice for you because they are not you. So in this case, because it's a huge monetary investment and you have to study that subject for 2 years, I say first you should work on your self-awareness. Just sit with yourself in a room, just have a look at the things that you like, things you do not like, what kind of person are you, which kind of manager you see yourself becoming in next 5 years. Evaluate yourself, evaluate your choices, and just believe in yourself, believe in your choice. So that is it from my side for this video. If you have any doubts, again I request that if you are sending me queries as to I should help you in choosing a college, then I'm really sorry, I won't be helping you in that, because the entire purpose of this video is to give you enough factors at hand so that you can make an informed choice, rather than just listening to X person, Y person. Just make your own choice. If you found something useful in this video, then tell me about it, mention that in the comment section, like this video, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Just hit that red button and support my initiative. Thank you so much, have a good day, and all the best making your choices.